after this Akwatia by election, who second Japan and Crawford be any age. To my surprise, a binum call live on TikTok. A jubilate or many say NPP has lost the seat to NDC. Nanka train car and Chesa or home befanko. And so Modia or Munyan Samu train canty or home fanko. Se me men yadia and moyen attitude. Na ye de sa chichere o man anase amanyukua enyi. Eyemi nwanwa pa se sankrofo we bi wo NPP. Enti enya nwanwa so se ye be kwa election ni ye be we. De mo ye ni de mo kekan ya afi de mo sesa blames ni nyina de kogu Dr. Mamudu Bawumia so. De mo pesa mo kire ni se ekoto ya abai na se Kennedy ebe wini a munhia Bawumia bibia because ni bibia be mayare to understand say mu blame Bawumia for MPP's defeat in Akwatia. Why are there munyansa mbabia munyansa akopem no sa na modwen kosi a no problem. Mun kwaso na monwe na wo refo nsa ahwe wonsa wo refo nsa Kennedy Japan supporters me ka kire mo monhwe mo nsa say ye beto aba no abu Kennedy Japan timi betna television so ka kire the whole Ghana say me ensama na wo ye wa ban mu me ni Mahama ekika na Mahama say ni nyina no meboa me very sorry na Mahama a good person unim wait as a message no obey na any ade no obey ni carry some mubi no now you guys were fighting against MPP's chance of winning so that mubenya asamaka yedamase maya ade hwe onyame shirawa say ya nanka obey contest ade obetima ye na yenim so obeka and away internal politics and in internal politics we don't personally attack because anything you say against your opponent in internal politics sa nipa no obewini ne de ne ko edwaman so a the opposition at large will use the same against you. And it is all 2024 elections. Weapons power or mudinyaye were weapons from Honorable Kennedy Japan and the supporters. Most started bastardizing Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. And in Ghana, no yababe tuaba tension ba assembly puha echo. Now the very cause of our defeat, ni Bawumia ni traka. Bawumia impact kra ne maye sa percentage na inyaye. Enti ye besere mo. Mon ka de mo betimaye na mo ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia na so munwo no na ne ho ntom. Musuro no se mo gidi se enye suro pa mon ka de betimaye ono wo ka de betimaye ni emfansi ani se enye suro a inshallah se Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ye de ne ko 10 ni e be return ye de ne be ko 10. I'm telling you, me see I didn't cut 10 year by return, the never cut 10. Mo dear, mo pa, mon son at Yambu NPP Gary, Namunyamu, Takra with Jam. A dear Bonina Papa Nayam. Time, no General Supreme Court. You and I were not there. You and I were not there defending the party which none and now so Solano Park ran a year in the mass for the free home. Ebejina court go good 8 months and then the bede ayi any sumina so say na me party me disika boa party na party no boa wa boa so onka party no boa wa boa no onka masa yeti political party a enye obamu da ban yu munkwaya mo research say Obama obejoine Democrat da ban enso e ba say ehun ko hia say na say do Obama ko because one e be ma e win no ye de no koy enti mu betna ho na de na munya ye lose say ya enti de ko fa papa no be DMPP anim ni yenko nkonya 80%. Why ko fa papa no be DMPP anim ni nkonya 80%. Me say inshallah Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ye beto abayi ye de no be ko na wiemu nyanya me sachira na obeba Mahama kura etimi aba fa akunya Mahama etimi aba fa akunya na Bawumia a put or treat all.
Alright, so we see what be on Fambraga and Asem TV and so. The DM just when I promise the blog and we are way in some bebre air coso internet and so. In your crowd, the second Japan and I'm say find X. Find X no so free in the buyer in him. Now, let's take you back to Akwatia. Akwatia call by election 2nd September 2025. The NTP by election they say MPA year to by in 2024 December 7th no. A year Honorable Ernest Yaukumi. Honorable Ernest Yaukumi. Ashri Nemkwa. The 7th of July 2025. And I'm so Emma is she say 2nd September 2025 the Yanko by election. Now by election you win of the candidates party Biano. There are two major political parties, NPP and NDC, representing candidates. Right? Now presenting the candidates emu and the MPP for Ekoyi Yewra Kwame Solomon Asumedu. Oma anya primaries. Omo ema penifo no wo Eastern region. Any executives omo wo esa constituency Akwatia constituency no etnase. And omo ankasa de nipa omo feel say omo de ne ba omo be win no de ne bae. Now Kwame Asumedu was treasurer on the Akwatia constituency NPP for treasurer. And as a treasurer or no. So party ni say you be hieska. You be nipa no krumo for don ni ade. Tomo to mani no. Omani ko to Kwame Asumedu Solomon eso aka Owuo. And omde ne bae. Omde Owuo bae no. Na party be na so kire Ghana for ni NPP for nyina say nipa we na Akwatia for say yemfa ne be stand e wo NPP din mu. Ba bra oba parliament. Na oba bua ma ya kire o man na be shem na papa e bua ma man na den. Today or say yem find X. Let's find X. You see how they think. And these people want to lead the new patriotic party. These people. You understand? So this person no, is not someone you can trust. I've been telling you guys from the onset. I've been telling you. Say you can't trust this kind of people, the kind of mentality that they have. You can't trust them. But you can't move one man. You feel like ABR. You don't know what we're doing or something. I wonder. So, but this is what is happening on social media today, and I want to know what you also think. I mean, what do you think? In the comment section. Eyezu. Yeni da so ni you Ghana fwe don't bo kwen munye hwehwe